Yo, what it do? You too. So I didn't want to be bored in the hotel. I decided to book zip lining. So that's what we're doing right now. We're all geared up and walking to somewhere to start the expedition. But I wanted to tell you guys that in your pursuit to make six figures, most likely in corporate America, a characteristic or an attribute that's going to serve you well is being humble or humility. And the reason why is because corporate America is very competitive, and if people perceive you as a threat, then they're going to make your life impossible. So in order to avoid being perceived as a threat, I think it's a good idea to be humble and practice humility, you know, so that people are more receptive to you, and people feel encouraged to help you because you're not a threat to them, and you know, you're someone who admits that you have your faults, that you're not perfect. Humble people are usually willing to learn and sacrifice to work at things. So that's a quick tidbit. Be humble. We are here. All right, guys, let's keep talking about humility. What else do I want to tell you? Well, first of all, this is awesome. Look at the size of these trees. It's gorgeous. So I think another tip is try your best to form strong relationships with your managers, because down the road your managers are the ones that are going to be appraising or talking to your skills, your abilities to perform tasks within certain deadlines, your abilities to play well with others, your ability to be at work on time, and so forth. So having your manager in your corner is of huge importance when networking, you know, building your career and managing your career and so forth. So keep it in mind.
Thank you, buddy.
Okay.
You start from short over there, high and long.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay. Yeah! All right.
Perfect landing.
Do this, guys.
Dip.
All right, let's go, guys.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, like this? Okay.
I got it. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. Giống mày. Oh my god. Giống mày. Okay. Thank you.
Good luck.
1, 2, 3, bye-bye. Oh my god. Okay, brother, it's your turn.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, I like people scared.
I like people scared.
Okay. I want to see you happy. Okay, bye.
Okay.
Sit down. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god.
All right, I'm going.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Okay, good landing. Thank you, brother.
Hey guys, we're having a great old time. So, another tip, focus on 10% of your coworkers, right? So you might be tempted to go out there and, you know, try to build deep personal relationships with everyone. But I'm going to suggest that you only focus on 10%. You can say hi, you can be cordial to everyone, but the people that you give the bulk of your attention to, let it be just 10% of everyone that you're working with. Because the truth is, we got to get over this log here. The truth is that you can't build a strong, meaningful relationship. This is ridiculous. With everyone. So only focus on 10%. Only focus on 10% of your coworkers. And again, make sure that your manager thinks highly of you, and if that's not the case, that you're doing the best you can to build a good reputation with him or her. And how you can do that is by doing your work really well, and then finding some ways to make his life easier by making his workload less if you can. So some tidbits here from the top of all these trees. We're going down. Check him out.
Go down.
We're going down. Phuket, baby. Thailand. I don't want to die. Oh,
Oh, I forgot. Oh, this is my first time.
Okay, what am I doing? Oh, this is ridiculous. Okay. So remember, guys, be humble, focus on 10% of the class, and make your manager's life easier. All right, guys, so remember, spend less than you earn, save your money, pay down your debt, make sound investments, but most importantly, invest in... Okay, you got me? Oh, daddy. All right, guys, I'm tired, but we're gonna go do the roller. It's like 2-3 kilometers long, and we're gonna go down really fast. So let's do it. Hello. Hello. Hello.
So your hand.
Hands here?
Yeah.
Oh, not yet.
Bend your knee.
Yeah, okay, bend my knees.
Yeah. Just over here, do not let go.
Do not let go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Never let go. No, 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 no. What's your name?
Puppy.
Papi?
Yeah.
Okay, Papi. Pleasure to meet you.
Welcome to my jungle. Stop, clear, mate. Stop. Oh, there it is.
Ready? Oh, boy! Yeah! Woo! Oh, shit! Yeah, this is crazy! This is insane, guys! Insane! Here we go! Oh shit! Oh. Oh my God. Wow, that was insane. Nice job, Vita. Bye-bye. Wow. Wow, guys, that was the most insane ride next to skydiving. Insane. That was insane. Crazy. Hear what I'm saying? That was insane. Guys, roller was insane. Roller was insane. And now we got the skywalk. So we've done zip lining, roller, now skywalk. Let's do this. Now the skywalk is more relaxing. It's just literally walking amongst the trees. I wonder if there's any monkeys out here. Maybe I'll get lucky and see one. How you guys doing? You chilling? Yeah. Keep in mind, guys, I am not strapped to anything. If I fall off of this in some fashion or form, there's gonna be no more Build Your Tomorrow. Who's gonna take over the channel? So this is exactly why you want to spend less than you earn, save your money, pay down your debt. So after you've achieved a certain level of financial security, you can come out here and enjoy some of the many adventures that life has to offer. There's so much to do out here in Thailand. It's incredible. But you get here one day at a time, 1 month at a time, one plan at a time. And really all it takes is the will to do it, wanting to win. It takes focus and consistency, you know? And it ain't gonna happen over 6 months. It ain't gonna happen over a year, over 2 or 3 years. But over many years, it will happen. And once it does, it's gonna be awesome. You're gonna love it. So get on your grind. Let's go get it.